Good morning, I'm Srikanth Verma, and I'm going to create a class toolbook with a constructor and a display function and the function to keep track of paying and non-paying cards. So the program is hashing to IOStream is a standard input header file which declares the cout and cin and using namespace HTTP. It is a standardization of input output statements, and I have declared the class as a toolbook, and in the public declaration I have to declare the required variable. So in number of cards double as a total fare, and in the toolbars I have to initialize the number of cards equal to 0 and the total fare equal to 0, and in the function call I have to keep a track of paying cards. So avoid paying cards and number of cards are incremented and total fare plus equal to 0.50. When the number of cards are incremented, total fare also increments. And in function call again have to keep track of non-paying cards. So avoid non-paying card and number of cards are incremented. And in the display function have to display the account. So avoid display and see out handle the total number of cars or number of cars. See out handle the total fare collected is total fare, and int main, it is a main function in this program. And here I have declared the required variables. So toolbox as a int n equal to 1, and here I've used while loop and 5 cout statement. So while n is it is greater than 0 and ampersand n less than 4, and cout handle 1 add a paid car, and cout add a non-paid car. Cout handle display the counter. Cout handle for exit, and cout handle enter a choice, and scene n. And here I've used this a switch case. So case 1, a dot paying car and cout handle paid car added successfully, and it breaks the statement. And in case 2, a dot no pay car and cout handle non-paid car is added successfully, and it breaks the statement. And in case 3, a dot displays the statement. So breaks the current statement, and in a default break return 0. Return 0 stops the current program, and it again starts from the beginning. So now let's see the output. Well, here it shows that 1 add a paid car, 2 add a non-paid car, 3 display the counter, and 4 exit. Enter a choice, and my choice is 1. It shows that paid car added successfully. Enter a choice, and my choice is 2. Non-paid car is added successfully. Enter a choice, and my choice is 3. It displays as a total number of cars are 2, and the total fare collected is 0.5, and my choice is 4. And the process is written. And my another program is and here I'm going to create a class distances with the constructor and the display function and the addition function. And the program is hashing to live stream is a standard put header file which declares the cout and cin using namespace HTTP. It is a standardization of input statements, and I have declared as a class as distances, and a public declaration. I have to initialize the required variables. So int feet and inches, and distances int x and into y, and feet equals to x and inches equals to y. And in a default constructor I have to initialize to 0. So distances, and I have initialized that feet equal to 0 and inches equal to 0. And in the display function I have to display the function in the function call. So void display and cout handle feet and in feet cout handle inches and inches. And in the addition function I have to add the distances. So distances as add dist, and distances j comma distances k, and I have initialize as a distances to temp. So distances temp, and temp dot feet equal to j dot feet plus k dot feet, and temp dot inches equal to j dot inches plus k dot inches, and return temp. So and int main, it is main function of this program. So, and I have declared the required variables of the class here. So distances a of 4,60 and b, 69, 40 and c equal to c dot add distances and a comma b. Here it adds the distances of a comma b and c dot display. It displays the values of a comma b and returns 0. The return 0 stops the current program and it again starts from beginning. So now let's see the output. It shows that feet as in as 73 and inches as in 100. So thank you.